This video presentation was created for Horticulture 120, Computer Applications in the Landscape Contracting. We've all heard it 1,000 times in the business world, time is money. Today we would like to share information with you that will save you time and help you make money in the landscape industry. For this presentation we will discuss computer rendering. This is just one process that can help you sell your designs and achieve your business goals. When we refer to computer rendering, we are referring to the use of computers and software to add texture, color, and detail to a landscape plan or model. Today we hope to highlight the many benefits of computer rendering in the landscape industry while also examining a few of the downsides one might encounter. As a landscape contractor or architect, computer rendering technology can significantly strengthen the communication gap between the professional and the client. The landscaper has a variety of design communication methods such as 2D site plans that are often difficult for the client to understand. Using computer rendering can help the client better visualize what their landscape will look like once completed. The plans can show color, types of plants, different materials used, and so forth in an extremely realistic manner. These drawings can also help communicate depth and scale of proposed features in relationship to existing features. Computer-generated images can be emailed to the client, increasing the speed at which communication happens. When the designer and client are able to communicate more effectively, the client is more likely to end up satisfied once the job is completed. One of the greatest advantages of computer rendering is that you can make small and large changes very easily rather than needing to redraw an entire plan. This has been made very possible with all the new technologies produced in the last 10 years. To make a large change to a design, you can simply use a laptop or a computer desktop at home. Now there are iPhone and iPad apps which make it possible to make quick edits in the field. In this way, you can adjust the rendering to depict different types of materials such as wood versus stone. Perhaps they want to see what their site will look like with warm-colored vegetation. You can easily show them the difference. In the very limited time you have with the client during your visit, computer rendering can easily assist in the decision-making process. After revisions and determined, the new documents can quickly be printed and delivered to the crew. Soon we may be able to do even more in the field without being dependent on a desktop at all. Either way, up-and-coming technology can substantially boost productivity. In today's market, there are many different software applications that can be used to accomplish computer rendering. These programs have come a long way since their original debut with Paintbrush over 15 years ago. Today we will explore just a few. Choosing the proper software depends on the applications you are designing with, such as AutoCAD or Google SketchUp, or if you are drafting by hand. They mostly all work in the same manner by converting drafted line work into 2D images. Pure and Easy 2010 is a unique 3D paint program that allows users to easily produce quality drawings from 3D models. Pure and Easy has compatibility with AutoCAD, Google SketchUp, and many other authoring packages. Another program, SU Podium, allows users to make true photorealistic rendering of your Google SketchUp models without the frustration of learning a complex program. Another software package is Render Plus. This program does an excellent job of creating more realistic Google SketchUp drawings. One more option is using Adobe Photoshop. By using different layers, it is simple to add colors, textures, and artistic effects. Every software has its pros and cons, but once able to use the programs correctly, rendering will enhance your designs significantly and help generate profits for your business. With all these factors working towards increasing your business, there are a number of disadvantages when incorporating this technology into your company. In the landscape contracting field, computer rendering is helping to create new possibilities in securing work. This is a great thing if you are a company that has the ability to afford the upfront cost of new technologies plus training. Some software programs range and equipment range in the thousands of dollars. Other downsides could include being limited to computer or internet access as well as software glitches. Also, some may argue that there is a uniqueness to hand-rendered drawings that cannot be recreated by a computer. While there are downsides, the large initial investment in computer equipment can be translated into income by having better presentations and landscape models. If you are unsure about making a purchase for your computer rendering technology, begin with one of the less expensive options. Do a test run to see how you feel using the software and then see how the clients respond. In the industry, the general trend is increased use of these programs for the benefits they bring. Communicating with the client and creating the outdoor space they desire should be the greatest goal. You may just find that computer rendering is the missing piece you need for your landscaping business.